Hello, Kingsview families. This is Mr. Brando, just checking with you guys, make sure we're all on track to pass for fourth term and fourth quarter. And I want to make sure that I answer any questions I've been seeing a little bit recently. So the first thing I want to point out is that I have been putting all graded assignments on my MCPS Classroom. And if you're having a difficult time getting to that, the first thing you can do is you will download Google Chrome, and if as long as you log in with your MCPS Classroom and then sync with it, you'll get this folder up here. It says My MCPS Resources. Mine's a little different because I'm a teacher, but yours looks similar. You should have this link that says My MCPS Classroom. You click on that, you'll get to this page here, and you go look for my course that looks like this. It has a little picture of Earth in the background with little glowy lights, and it says Investigating Science, Mr. Brando or Philip Brando, which is my name. And then you're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to a site that looks like this. And this is what Student View or Observer looks like if you're a parent. And the first thing you're probably wondering is, has my student been doing their work? Well, the first thing you can do is if you click on Grades over here, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. If it says missing, like this, that means you need to submit it. That means your student hasn't turned it in yet and I haven't graded it yet. So if there's anything like that, they should do that. Now, what I'm counting towards points this quarter, what's going to be determining if your student or if you are the student are going to pass or not, or any of these ones that has A in the title. See, this one says CFU. This is just a practice, okay? FA, PA, these two are going in the grade book. Those will be worth points. The notes are always worth homework. The FAs are always worth test grades, okay? All task. So if we look down here, these two have the A in the title. Week 2, these are the two I'm going to be grading. And then down here for week 3, these are the two, this one here, and then this one here are the two I'll be grading for that, this term, okay? If you go back to the home page here, if you're curious about what due dates are, what my recommended due dates are going to be in this calendar, what I feel like is a good way of pacing yourself to make sure things are done. But because of everyone's situation, I will accept any work as long as you let me know you've submitted it, so I go back and grade it. I'll put it in the grade book, and we'll make sure that that gets counted this term, okay? The other thing is, if you're wondering where you can find these assignments, you click on this little thing here that says Modules. I'll highlight it again so you guys can see it, Modules. Okay, and we click on that. It's going to take you into this part here. They're all clearly labeled week 1, week 2, week 3. Okay, and again, the ones that are graded are the ones with the A's. So right here, these notes are graded. This FA is graded. This one is graded. The notes. This FA test is graded. The notes here are graded, and this is graded. Okay. The rest of that, there, like these CFUs and this warm up, this is for practice and engagement, but they will not be held against you or graded. Okay. If you are looking to find out where the information for these notes are, they are always going to be in this part that says instructional resources. So if you click on instructional resources, all the information you'll need to fill out these notes will be found there. And as an example, I'll do this week's. So if we go in instructional resources for week 3, click on that. These are the 3 things you can look at to find the answers for our notes. So if you click on this CK12, here is the little reading section that goes along with the notes so you can fill them in properly. Okay, so that's how that works. The other question I had is if I'm doing Zooms. Me and Miss Trilling, the other science teacher, have been doing joint Zooms on Wednesdays and Thursdays, depending on your class. If you're in period 1, 2, or 3, that is on Thursdays. If you're in period 5 or 7, you will be in on Wednesdays. And you can find those times and how to get there in Google Classroom still. I've been posting the agenda there, so anything in red is what's going to be due, anything in yellow is what is optional. Your times for the Zooms are listed in there. And the links to the Zooms are posted every day when we have them. There's a little link here with the meeting and passwords. That's where you can find those in my Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I hope this video reaches you guys well and everyone is in a place where they are comfortable. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye now.